Now, very good morning to you all. I hope you've all had a really good weekend, and we are so looking forward to seeing many of you back at school this week. Now, school, of course, is going to be a little bit different. The routine won't be quite as familiar to you, and it will feel slightly strange, but you'll very quickly adjust, and it's worked very well for reception, year 1 and year 6 for the past 3 weeks. The staff are really looking forward to seeing you, and I know it's going to be very exciting for you to meet up with all your friends. Now, we're back in my garden, and we're going to have a vegetable update, but we're also going to talk about creativity and resourcefulness, and that is all after the hymn. So the Year 8 Leavers programme has been in full swing for 2 weeks now, and we talked on Friday about how the boys had written to residents in care homes. Now last week, Year 8 were particularly creative and resourceful because they recreated their own versions of some of the art world's most influential masterpieces. Have a look at these images. Well done, boys. You've really continued to impress over the weeks. What a great way that is to learn. And of course, you've got another very exciting week ahead of you. And we are so looking forward to seeing you Year 8 boys come to Mulsford this afternoon. So I've had to be creative and resourceful because something has been eating my peas and my lettuces. And if you look down here, you can see the kale has been absolutely gnawed away. I think that pigeons are the culprits, but I needed to find a way to protect the plants. So to protect the lettuces, I've got this net all around it, but I needed a frame to hold the net up. And I used the metal rim from an old trampoline safety net. It's the bit that goes all the way around the bottom of the trampoline safety net. They're a bit like tent poles, so they're really bendy, but it seems to have worked really well. So here we are at the peas, and this is actually the third set of peas that I've had to plant because the first two got eaten by something. I think, again, it was pigeons. So I needed to protect this lot, and I put a net up again to protect the peas, but the frame I've used here is from old shelving and it holds it up really, really nicely. And then to pin down the net, I've used these planks, which were from the roof of the old chicken house. And again, that works really well. Now, while we're out in the garden, let's go and see how the other vegetables have been getting on. So let's have a look at the strawberries, because they're beginning to turn ripe now, and we've already had several bowlfuls this summer. And here they are, so some yummy red strawberries there, and all coming through, loads more here, plenty more to come. And we're just going to have a quick look at the runner beans, which are just round the corner, because they're doing really well as they climb up their poles. And this one here is still on the lead, nearly at the top. But the interesting thing, as I said a few weeks ago, is that they are all going in the same direction around their poles. So we now say the prayers. First prayer is a prayer for the natural world. I love God's tiny creatures that wander wild and free. The coral-coated ladybird, the velvet humming bee, shy little flowers in hedge and dike that hide themselves away. God paints them though they are so small. God makes them bright today. Amen. And we say the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Now, a very well done to Zach McConkey, who has done some brilliant video editing for Mulsford's Got Talent, and he has been awarded a Headmaster's Commendation. Well done, Zach. And of course, Mulsford's Got Talent is at 5:45 this Friday. I look forward to seeing you there. So lockdown has forced Zach and all of us to be creative and resourceful. I and we at Mulsford continue to be really impressed by all that you have done. And let's finish by looking at some more images from the Year 8 Getty Art Challenge Day.